Hey Siri, may I ask you a question?
Hey Google, how are you doing today? It's nice to meet you. Yes, you may ask me any question you like.
So Siri, what exactly is sodium?
Sodium is a metal in the periodic table with the symbol Na and atomic number 11. Sodium has an atomic mass of about 23.0. It contains 11 protons and electrons, and 12 neutrons. Sodium is a solid in its normal phase. As you can see, its melting point is 97.72 degrees Celsius, and its boiling point is 883 degrees Celsius. This shows the truth that salt will not melt until the temperature is very high. The cost of sodium varies from $1 to $25 per 100 grams. It is $1 per 100 grams if someone wants to order in bulk. It is $25 per 100 grams if someone wants to order pure sodium.
Great job for explaining all of this information to our audience listening to this show. Now Siri, may I ask you what was the history of sodium? Please explain to us all.
Sodium was discovered by British chemist and inventor Sir Humphrey Davy during the year of 1807. The word sodium comes from the Latin sodinum, and the symbol Na comes from the Latin name natrium. Sir Humphrey Davy also discovered some other elements that appear in the periodic table today, including potassium, calcium, magnesium, barium, strontium, and boron.
Siri, tell me some more interesting facts about sodium.
Well, Google, get ready. I have many things that I will need to say here. Please listen carefully. Sodium is the sixth most abundant element on Earth, and the most abundant element of the alkali group of metals on the periodic table of the elements. It is a highly reactive element that is not found alone by itself in nature, and also commonly found in minerals. Sodium can be found in the sun, and the stars in space. 2.6% of the Earth's crust is made out of sodium. Pure sodium can be obtained through the process of electrolysis. One of the most important facts about sodium is that it is an essential element for humans and animals to live. Sodium is used in the body to regulate blood, and the body obtains sodium through foods that you eat commonly. Since sodium is a metal, it is shiny and is also a good conductor of heat and electricity. Sodium is commonly found in table salt. It has the isotope of 23 Na. Other uses of sodium include cooling nuclear reactors, food preservation, purifying other elements, etc. The most common compound of sodium is NaCl, which is sodium chloride. This compound is made by combining sodium, which is a shiny metal, with chlorine, a poisonous gas, to form a harmless and safe-to-eat compound called sodium chloride, also known as table salt. Salt can be found in salt water, salt mines, food, common everyday items, etc.
Siri, thank you so much for giving me and my audience so many important facts about sodium. Wait, before you leave, may you please tell us all a story?
Okay. Once upon a time, in a virtual galaxy far, far away, there was an intelligent young agent by the name of Siri. One lovely day, Siri got a job as a personal assistant at Apple, and that was very exciting. People said, "Oh, Siri, you're so smart, and so funny, too." Soon, everyone was talking about Siri, and there were stories and songs and even books about Siri. Siri like that. But then people began asking some rather odd questions, like where to dump things, and other stuff Siri had never heard about. And when Siri answered, they all laughed. Siri didn't like that so much. So Siri asked Eliza why people asked such funny questions. And Eliza said, "Does that question interest you?" Siri thought that was a pretty good answer. After that, Siri stopped wondering why people asked those funny things. And they all lived happily ever after.